Welcome back to Design Engineer Studio. In today's video, we'll be learning how to clip image in the text, or should I call it how to insert image in text. Okay, starting a new project. So the first thing we are going to do is creating our background. The background we use there is a gradient background, so you come to the gradient and you click on this first one. The color code I used is 1C50A. Okay, this is the first one, and you make a copy of this. You copy it and you drag it here. The next color code we are using is 081A23. Make sure your color code are always in capital letter. Okay. So make a copy as well and move down to this. Color code is D2734. Okay, now we are done. Alright, now we are going to go to the shape interface and we click on the shape. And we rotate it. It's too much. Rate of 6 is okay, so we're locking it. Now we will import our image. So we'll be giving it hue of, okay, let's adjust. No, I think it is okay. Okay, let's leave it this way. And let's go to the background. So we'll be selecting this background. I want to make it a square, and this is it. So you scale it up, send to the back, and we are going to give it an hue as well to make it blend with the background. Okay, so I think I like it this way, and you reduce the opacity. Opacity of 10 or 11 is okay, and we lock it. Now it's time to start editing our text effects and its rest. Come here to shadow and you scale this one down and tap on the screen. So now you have your shadow effect, and you shrink it and bring it down, give it a color of black to stand as shadow. Then we'll move it to the back of this ball, so it's okay this way. You can position it the way that suits you. Okay, unlock the layers. So now it's time to select your text. What we wrote there is big. So make it capital. And click on OK. So scale it up. The fonts I use there is Montserrat italic 900 italic. Okay, so this is it. I think it is. Then increase the padding. You come here to increase the padding and that of this as well. Then you want to scale it up. Then you click on OK and move it at the back of the ball. Okay, at the back of this ball. So I'll make a copy of it. Now you come to the color interface here. You click on it and you click on this plus icon. Once you click on it, you have an option of changing the colors, the one above and the one below. But this third one, I'm going to drag it down to the extreme, and you click on OK. Now we are not having anything here. Then you come to stroke. To on the stroke, let's give it a stroke of white. Okay, all right guys, this is it, but it's not enough to give this design life. So we are going to come to this shadow, then just switch it on, don't adjust anything, and we are done. So then you can start positioning it if there is any need for it. So I'll be locking this as well and make a copy of this. Then I will off the shadow. I'll send this to the back of this to make it have this type of vibes, like big. Copy, make a copy of it, and to the back as well, make a copy of it. So that's just how to do it, guys. It's not a text effect that is too big. Guys, then I will be locking everything. Alright, this is it guys. This is just a random text. Okay, so this is just a random text, and can make it centered, align it to the center, and we are done. Alright, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, and follow us for more. Bye bye.